Well, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I had a couple chores to do real quick before it got too hot in the day, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of those, and I'm gonna bring you along with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please consider doing so, and let's Good morning. In my garden. This is the raised bed that has my turnips in it, and pruning or thinning them out so they're not so close together. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Okay, and this is the second row that I recently replanted, so we'll thin here. Thin that one out as well. Okay, so that's thinned as well, and I think we're good. Okay, here are my turnips, and you can see that they're thinned pretty well. So they're going to grow, but the root, when it starts to bulb out, won't be too close together. At my radish bed or container, In a previous video, I said that I was going to remove these. So let's take care of these right now. Okay, they're all up. Let me get my hand trowel and we'll turn the soil a little bit.
Motion detected as pending.
Okay, when my lettuce, butter crunch lettuce gets larger, we'll put it in here and hopefully it will grow. Okay, I think this will be ready when I get ready to use it. Well, I want to thank you for coming along with me on this little quick video. If you got anything from it, that's great. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. Consider hitting the like button as well. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new content. And remember, in small spaces such as mine, you can grow great amounts of food for yourself as well as your family. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.